What's up guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a fan with Kids for Curious. So you need a red wire, a big battery, a connector attached to the battery, a switch, a motor, and a 4-bladed fan. So you will get the big battery and you get this red wire and keep it into the switch. Note to self that keep this of the big battery into this part. If you keep it here, and when I get this red wire and keep it inside, it will actually on the motor when the switch is off. So yeah, don't make this touching this, and don't make this part touching this part where this wire is. Always the same thing will happen. So yeah, so let me keep this red wire into where I have to keep it. Yeah, done. And then you can get this red wire and keep this in the motor over here. And then you can bend it like this. And now you get this black wire and keep it inside this one. And yeah, let me just keep it in. Okay, so now you have done all this. You get the propeller, or blade fan, I mean, and keep it inside. And then after that, oh, the black wire just came out, just keep it back in. And yeah, here is how it should be. So let's on it. Don't touch the propeller when it's on high speed, otherwise it will actually cut you, because yesterday I got myself cut. So let me on it. It's a bit hard to on it. I'll just fast forward it since the wires are actually coming out. So fast forward. And there you go. It will on. You actually get air from it. So that's how you make the propeller. Let me just off the switch. That's how you make it. So bye.